Listen for a second. Hear that? Nothing. That silence, it's creeping into amateur radio. Let's talk about it. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Slowly getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. And when I get to that point, I'm giving away an ICOM IC7300 right here on HamShackTV. We're going to do it in a live stream on our typical Thursday night live stream, 8 o'clock Eastern time. This is also made possible by Gigaparts. I can't thank them enough for their help in this promotion. I'm looking forward to giving that radio away. So hit that subscribe button. That way you're entered for a chance to win. You will have to be present to win that radio. So thanks to Gigaparts, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So the silence we're talking about, it's not all at once, but slowly, night after night, repeater by repeater, and net by net. Every year the bands get a little bit quieter. Just a little bit more quieter. And if you've really been paying attention, you can feel something scary behind it. There was a time when you could spin the dial and hear life everywhere. Rag chews at midnight, storm spotters, random DX, new operators nervously calling their first CQ. Now, static, dead carriers. Repeaters humming in an empty room. The silence is spreading, and the truth is, silence didn't just show up. We have made it. We let clubs age out. We ignored new operators. We mocked digital modes. We've dismissed younger voices. We've wasted time fighting online instead of talking on the air. We didn't lose the hobby. We've abandoned it. But silence isn't permanent. Not if we fight it. This is the moment preparedness matters. This is where having gear actually works matters. And that's why today's video is sponsored by BetterSafeRadio. You see BetterSafeRadio right up here. They're rugged, reliable, no-nonsense communications gear that does exactly what it's supposed to do. Talk when everything else goes quiet. If you want radios and accessories that hold up when the silence hits, use my coupon code AA4WX7 for 7% off any order that's over $100 or better at BetterSafeRadio.com. Guys, go check out BetterSafeRadio.com, both for ham radio and the GMRS gear. They've got both of it. It's equipment you can trust when repeaters die, when the grid goes down, and when the bands collapse into static. Now back to the heart of this message. Silence can be reversed, but only by people who show up and key up, call CQ, check into a net, help a new operator get on the air. Use your repeaters before the trustees shut them down for good. Radios don't create activity. People do. And if we stop transmitting, the silence will become permanent. Silence may be coming. But it doesn't have to stay. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, again, can't thank you enough for being a fan of HamShackTV. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button down below. That way you can be entered into the drawing for the brand new IC7300 that I'm giving away at 10,000 subscribers. Guys, it's going to be a fantastic giveaway. I'm looking forward to doing that. I want to shout out Gigaparts. Appreciate their help on that. Also, you get double rewards points at Gigaparts if you use my coupon code HamShackTV. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 690.